Keeping your business hours up to date as well as common FAQ is one of the most important things you can do to make it easy for your customers to support you. I'm going to show you how you can update your business hours on your Facebook business page. So once you're on your Facebook business page, scroll down on the right-hand side, you'll see the About section. Click See All, and it will bring up all of your business about information like your address and more. But what we're looking at here is the Hours section. So we're going to click, we'll see all of the different tabs at the top. Click over to Hours, and here's where we can easily update it. So at the time of this recording, a lot of us have minimal or changing hours because we're reopening due to COVID-19 regulations. And so even though our hours may change again soon, it's really important to take the time to update these hours, continue to keep them updated, make it easy for your customers to know when you're open and how they can support your business. So just simply click through, edit your hours, and then you're going to be able to save. In this section too, you might see a few other areas that are blank or need filled into. This is a great opportunity to take the time to edit some of these sections and fill them in as well. So now I've taken the time to even add a little bit more information, bonus points there, and let's get back to the hours. So we can just simply save those hours, and then we're going to X out of the screen, and let's refresh our business page and take a look. You can see now if we scroll down to where our business hours are, it has changed, the updates have saved, and we know that they're accurate. That was quick, easy, and an important step to take. If your business hours have changed, there might be a reason or why, and that's a great thing to share with your customers too. So like I said, currently our business hours are changing slightly due to the COVID-19 regulations, and we made sure to share a post with our customers here and even some fun graphics to make it attractive to customers to look at, to read, and have fun with. It keeps them updated, engaged, and again, lets them know how they can support our business. That post is even pinned to the top of our page so that it gets the most attention. You can see on a post, click the little 3 dots and it gives you one of the options pinned to top of page. So like this one here, it will stay at the very top of your Facebook business page and get a lot of attention, showing your customers this is the most important new announcement you have. I hope you found this quick guide helpful, and as always, you can find more information about building your presence online using social media at alliekloster.com. Wishing you success.